As new affiliates, we're super excited that we discovered a new way to earn money online until we discover that we made our first affiliate sale and we're not going to get paid for at least 30 days. Wah, wah. So that can be super duper frustrating, especially if you are working your heart off and you are promoting, but you're not seeing the money for 30 to 45 days. So what I'm going to do is that in this video, I have been on the hunt forever for something that would pay 100% profits or commissions up front so that you can make the money sooner than later. Now, of course, in order to make this happen, you do have to commit to working on your marketing skills. But if you're willing to do that, then you're going to love these 3 ways that you can start earning 100% profits or commissions a lot quicker so you don't have to wait 30 long days to get paid. So if that's something you want to learn how to do, then keep on watching. So hey there, my name is Barbie Figueroa. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. And before we get into the 3 ways that you can start earning 100% profits or commissions, and I'm going to tell you the difference in just a second. Before we get into that, I want to tell you a quick story of back when I started, I started in like 2007, but I've always been in some sort of affiliate marketing program, either selling a course or selling a system or something like that. And I'll never forget that I was in a super tight spot and I was an affiliate for some program and I was supposed to get my payment, I don't know, let's say the 15th of the month. And the 15th of the month came and went and still no payment. And back then I was kind of newer at the game of affiliate marketing and, I needed the money. And the owner of the program was like, oh, sorry, payments are delayed. You're not going to probably see them for like 2 weeks. And that freaked me out. And that also taught me a lesson of, affiliate marketing is absolutely amazing. You should all have multiple streams of income that we promote as affiliates. But the thing to keep in mind is that you don't own the program. You don't control the program. So sooner or later, there are going to be things that are going to happen that are beyond your control that can delay the payment, change the amount of money you make, and all those things. So it's really important to just see it for what it is. I remember I had a mentor once tell me that your brand, which is you, right? You as the affiliate, we're like a river, right? We're like a river. And in that river, a bunch of streams flow into that river. And so one income stream could be, an autoresponder. Another income stream could be an affiliate program A or affiliate program B, or even a network marketing thing. And they're all streams of income that flow into this big river. But the big river, the river itself is the biggest body of water. And the most important thing is what I like to call your You Inc. brand, because if you're out there promoting stuff, then people are looking for someone to actually buy from. And so they probably already know what affiliate program they want to join, and they probably already have done their research, but now they're looking for who to join with, which is why you are the brand, right? And so everything else is behind you as an income stream, as an affiliate stream, right? So that God forbid, if something were to happen with one of those affiliate programs and they were to go away, well, guess what? You have other streams flowing into the big river. So hopefully that makes sense. So if we kind of look at affiliate marketing in a way that we're not super duper attached to what happens, but we're just, having fun, making money, helping people while we are part of that affiliate program, then it's going to be a lot better in the long run. So with that being said, again, affiliate programs are amazing. I'm an affiliate for a lot of things, but there is nothing like earning 100% profits or commissions so that you can get paid faster. So the first way to do that is to own a done-for-you digital product that allows you to earn 100% of the profits when you sell the course to others. There are a lot of different types of courses out there, but there's one that I definitely recommend because it gives you the foundations to building a digital business online. So there's a lot of value. It's going to teach you everything from figuring out your brand name to teaching you about branding, to teaching you about setting up a domain, to automating a funnel. the whole 9 yards from A to Z. It teaches you how to build a legitimate digital business online, but it has a license attached to it, which allows us to resell that course for 100% of the profits. Now, again, there's a lot of different courses out there, but there's only one that I really, truly recommend, especially if you're serious about building a long-term sustainable income online. And it's, and you're not really into the get rich quick scene. Some of those, groups are just like, all they talk about is how much money they're making and all these things. This course is completely different. This course is really built by affiliates for affiliates so that you can learn how to build that river, that brand, so that then you can add on all the affiliate income streams that you want. In addition to this course, there's also other websites out there that you can purchase done for you content from and then just rebrand it and tweak it a little bit and make it your own, and then you can sell it for 100%. A couple of my favorite sites are theplrstore.com. It's a really great resource. So let's say, for example, you're an affiliate for Bitcoin, or maybe you're an affiliate for a health and wellness product. You can go to plrstore.com and you can purchase a done for you ebook or mini course, and then you can tweak it, change the cover a little bit, and then you can resell it as your own. Now, the only thing is that I do suggest that you look at the licensing terms so that you make sure that you are within the license agreement. But as long as you're abiding by the licensing agreement, you can go ahead, purchase that product, rebrand it, and then go out there and sell it, attach it to your own checkout system, and boom, you can earn 100% of the profits. Another one of my favorite resources, and this is one of my secret resources, and I'm like, I shouldn't tell you, but I'm gonna tell you, is a website called ContentSparks.com. Content Sparks is amazing. She is a super classy lady. They create done for you content that is top notch, super value packed. Again, you're going to have to check out the licensing terms to make sure that you are within the agreement so that you know what you can and can't do with the done for you content. But man, she's got some incredible content that you can purchase, tweak, rebrand, and then flip it for 100% profits by selling it on your own. And then you can just add affiliate programs on top of it that relate to what you're selling, and then you'll be good to go. So if you want to check that out, it is ContentSparks.com. Super, super high value done for you content that you can sell for 100% profits. So PLR Store and Content Sparks, the only thing is there is a lot of editing that has to happen. So it might take a little bit to get them off the ground, which is why I will go back to my absolute favorite, and that is a done for you course. It's already done. It has master resale rights, which means you really can't change the course. It's already ready. And the one that I'm selling, it already has rave reviews. People love it, and it's already done for you. The only thing you need is like a funnel system so that you can actually sell the course. But I've already created one, and I'm offering it as a bonus when you purchase that course so that you have an advantage to selling the course because everything's already kind of like done for you. So if you want to check that out, again, I will have that in the description box right below this video. The second way to earn 100% is to create your own products. And yes, I mean from scratch. Now, there are 3 types of products that I've created inside of my business so that I can earn some money up front even before anyone joins my affiliate programs or whatever else it is that I'm selling. So the first product that you're going to want to create is a lead magnet. The lead magnet is a small, very, very small digital product that you put in front of a funnel that you give away for free in exchange for someone's email. It doesn't have to be anything too fancy. It doesn't have to be anything too complicated. It could be a checklist, a cheat sheet, infographic, or a very small ebook, but it has to be something of value that people are willing to exchange their email for. All right, so that's the first one. The second digital product that I've created inside of my business to earn some money before anyone joins my programs is a one-time offer. So basically what a one-time offer is when someone goes into your funnel to download your free ebook, now they're presented with a one-time offer. It's like going to the checkout line in the grocery store. This is like this impulse buy. it's a piece of bubble gum or a magazine on your way out, and you're like, hey, while you're here, I've got your attention. You know, I want to sell you this little product in the amount of 7 or 17, 27, 37, even up to 47 that you can sell right then and there as they are going through your process. Okay, this is called a one-time offer. And so what it is if you think of it as your lead magnet is like that free sample, then the one-time offer digital product should have a little bit more value, and it should teach them something at a more in-depth level. So these are products that you can create yourself. And then the third digital product that I've created inside of my business, where it helps me earn money before anyone joins my affiliate programs, is a masterclass. I actually have a masterclass called Ebooks to Sales, where I walk a person through the process in a 65-minute masterclass from how to create, design, monetize an ebook, and use that ebook to point to your other offers by putting it inside of an ebook giveaway funnel. So if you want to check out that masterclass, I will have that linked for you right below this video as well. But yes, that is the second way to create those 100% profits for you before anyone signs up for your affiliate programs. So to recap, number one is you have a done for you product. It's already been created. And if it's a master resale right, it's pretty much already done for you. You don't have to change anything. But if it's a private label right, you can rebrand a little bit and flip it and sell it for 100% as if it was your own. The second thing is to create your own products from scratch. And I do recommend that you create these products based on your experience. And I recently heard that, and I agree that this is true, that everyone has a course inside them. I mean, even if it's just a 10-page Word document, there's something that you know right now how to do that you can teach someone else and charge for it. That is a great way to start earning that extra money that goes right into your payments processor so that you don't have to wait on affiliate payments. Now, the third and final way is a brand new way that is super duper exciting. And I'll tell you that after sponsoring 700 people into a software as a service affiliate program, one of the things that I had to do as a team leader was build systems and trainings to help my team duplicate. And inside of that process, they needed to purchase certain tools or certain widgets or etc. And so as you are training your team, there's going to be things that they need to duplicate what it is that you're doing to build your team. I had a mentor once say that this is called, earning on the production value of your team, because there's always going to be things that they need in order to follow your lead, whether it's a tool, a system, a course, whatever. And you want to be able to have all of that in one place where when people make their purchases or they start purchasing those tools as they go up the ranks, you have a way to duplicate your team, but you also can earn those commissions when they start upgrading through the system. And for that, you're going to need a special system software, which my good friend who is a multiple 7-figure affiliate marketer is going to be making available to the public very, very shortly. Now, if you're watching this video after he's released that software, I will link it for you right below this video so you can check out the software yourself. But this is more like if you want to earn like commissions on the whole production value of your downline or the people that you are sponsoring into your affiliate programs, this is going to be an incredibly awesome software that's going to help you manage and monetize your entire team. So if you want to learn more about that, then I will have a link for you right below this video. As of the date of this video, there is going to be a webinar where he is going to be demonstrating the software. So I'll have that link for you right below in the description box. But again, if you're watching this afterwards, still click on that link because I will have either a recording of that demonstration or I will have my own demonstration because I'm investing in that software because we're going to do some amazing things with it here in the future. So if you want to check that out, this is an incredible way to earn, again, from the production value of your network marketing team or your affiliate team. So make sure to check it out. All right, so hopefully this video helped you. If it did, let me know. And remember, I will have those links that I talked about in the description box right below the video. And I will also have a link to that super system, which is option number 3, inside of the pinned comment so you can check it out. So this has been Barbie Figueroa. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye for now.